Hey, gorgeous. Ever feel like you're working your butt off but not getting ahead? We've all been there. The secret? Treat your time like the precious resource it is. First things first, ditch the time wasters. Mindlessly scrolling, binge watching shows you don't even like. You know the culprits. Replace them with activities that light you up and boost your income. Think about it. Every hour you waste is an hour you could be earning more. Ouch. But don't stress. Start small. Identify one time waster and swap it for something productive. Remember, you have the power to create the life you desire. Start by reclaiming your time. You are talented. Don't underestimate the skills you already have. They could be your ticket to extra income. Think about what you're good at. Writing, teaching, graphic design. There's an online platform for that. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Skillshare connect freelancers with clients worldwide. Create a profile, showcase your skills, and start earning. It's like having a side hustle without the hassle. And the best part? You're in control. You set your rates, choose your projects, and work from anywhere with an internet connection. Freedom and extra cash? Sign me up. Imagine waking up to find money magically deposited into your account. You stretch, yawn, and check your phone, only to see that your bank balance has increased overnight. It's like a dream come true, right? But what if I told you this dream could be your reality? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it doesn't have to be just a dream. With the right strategies and a bit of effort, you can create a system that generates income for you while you sleep. Well, with passive income, it's totally possible. Passive income is money you earn with minimal effort. Once set up, it requires little to no maintenance, allowing you to focus on other things you love. Ever heard of affiliate marketing? It's one of the most popular ways to earn passive income. You promote products you love, and when someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. It's like getting paid to share your recommendations. Imagine this. You write a blog post or create a video review about a product you genuinely enjoy. You include your affiliate link, and every time someone makes a purchase through that link, you earn a percentage of the sale. It's a win-win situation. Another option is creating digital products. Digital products are items you create once and can sell repeatedly without any additional effort. This could be anything from ebooks to online courses, printable templates, and more. Ebooks, online courses, printable templates. The possibilities are endless. For example, if you're an expert in a particular field, you could create an online course sharing your knowledge. Once the course is created and uploaded, people can purchase and access it anytime, generating income for you continuously. You create it once, and it can generate income for years to come. Think about it. A single ebook or course could provide you with a steady stream of income long after the initial work is done. Passive income takes time and effort up front, but the rewards are so worth it. It requires dedication and a bit of creativity. But once you have your system in place, it can provide financial freedom and peace of mind. It's about building a sustainable stream of income that works for you, even while you sleep. Imagine the freedom of knowing that your hard work is paying off, even when you're not actively working. So why not start today? Your future self will thank you. Listen up, Buttercup. Networking isn't just about schmoozing at events, although that can be fun too. It's about building genuine relationships with people who can support your growth. Connect with people in your industry, attend webinars, join online communities. You never know where your next opportunity will come from. Don't be afraid to reach out to people you admire. Ask for advice, offer your skills, or simply start a conversation. You'll be surprised how willing people are to help when you approach them with genuine intentions. Remember, your network is your net worth. Nurture those connections and watch your income soar. Want to increase your earning potential at your current job? It's not just about working harder, it's about working smarter and positioning yourself as an invaluable asset to your team and organization. Become so valuable they can't imagine life without you. This means going above and beyond your job description and consistently delivering high-quality work that stands out. Identify areas where you can contribute more. Take on new challenges, volunteer for projects, and don't shy away from responsibilities that others might avoid. This proactive approach will not only showcase your dedication, but also your ability to handle diverse tasks. Become a go-to person for your team. When your colleagues and supervisors know they can rely on you for critical tasks, your value within the organization increases exponentially. Offer to help others, Share your knowledge and be a team player. Invest in your professional development. Take courses, attend workshops, and seek out learning opportunities that will enhance your skills. The more you learn, the more you can contribute to your team's success. Stay updated on industry trends. Being knowledgeable about the latest developments in your field will make you a valuable resource for your team. Read industry reports, follow relevant news, and participate in professional networks. The more you know, the more valuable you become. Share your insights with your team and take the lead in implementing new ideas and strategies. Your expertise will set you apart and position you as a leader. Don't be afraid to ask for what you deserve. When you have consistently delivered exceptional work and demonstrated your value, it's important to advocate for yourself. Have open and honest conversations with your supervisor about your career goals and compensation. When you consistently deliver exceptional work, you build a reputation for reliability and excellence. This reputation is your leverage when negotiating for a raise or promotion. You've earned the right to negotiate a raise or promotion. Prepare your case with evidence of your contributions and the impact you've made on the organization. Be confident in your work and articulate your value clearly. Remember, you are your own best advocate. No one else will champion your cause as passionately as you will. Take charge of your career and don't wait for opportunities to come to you. Create them. Step up, show your worth, and take initiative. Present new ideas, lead projects, and demonstrate your leadership potential. Your proactive attitude will be noticed and rewarded. Watch your income grow as you become indispensable to your organization. Your hard work, dedication, and strategic efforts will pay off, leading to greater financial rewards and career advancement. Level up your money game. Okay, let's talk about money, honey. Money is a tool that can help you achieve your dreams and live a comfortable life. But to do that, you need to manage it wisely. You work hard, so you deserve to be financially secure. First, track your expenses. This means writing down every single thing you spend money on, no matter how small. It might seem tedious, but it's the first step to understanding your financial habits. Where is your money going? Are you spending more on dining out than you realized? Are those subscription services adding up? By tracking your expenses, you can see exactly where your money is going and make informed decisions. Once you have a clear picture, you can identify areas to cut back and save more. Next, create a budget. A budget is not about restricting yourself. It's about making sure your money is going towards things that matter to you. It doesn't have to be restrictive. Think of it as a plan for your money, so you can achieve your financial goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, buying a house, or building an emergency fund, a budget helps you get there. Think of it as a plan for your money, so you can achieve your financial goals. Visualize what you want to achieve and set realistic milestones. This will keep you motivated and on track. Finally, invest in your financial education. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to money. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. Learn about different investment options, retirement planning, and how to make your money work for you. Investing might seem intimidating, but start small and gradually increase your knowledge and investments, and how to make your money work for you. Look into stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and other investment vehicles. Diversify your portfolio to minimize risks and maximize returns. Financial freedom is within your reach. Imagine a life where you don't have to worry about money, where you can focus on what truly matters to you. Start by taking control of your finances today. The journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Make that step today and watch your financial future transform. Sharing is caring and profitable. You've learned some amazing strategies to boost your income. Now here's a secret. Sharing this knowledge can actually make you more money. Create content around your expertise. Write blog posts, record videos, or start a podcast. Share your journey, your tips, and your successes. As you build an audience, you can monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, or even selling your own products or services. Teaching others not only helps them, it establishes you as an authority in your field. It's a win-win. It's your time to shine. You are capable of achieving incredible things. Don't let fear or self-doubt hold you back. Take action. Implement the strategies we've discussed and watch your income soar. Remember, you have the power to create the life you desire. Believe in yourself, take action, and watch your dreams become your reality. I'm cheering you on every step of the way. Spread the wealth of knowledge. Now go out there and make it happen. And don't forget to share this valuable information with your friends, family, and followers. Let's empower each other to achieve financial freedom and live our best lives. You got this, girl.